So I guess go
Holy
straight.
pothole. Jesus Christ.
So
Glad I was going slow. Holy shit. Buddy, seriously? Lucky I have enough traction to get up this hill. Dipshit. No.
There you go.
He would rant about he wants to try to hurt me and won't.
No, he'd say he'd fucking pop a cap in your ass and literally, like, shit himself.
Is he parked there or stuck?
Good.
Do you need a push? Do you need a push? You want a push start?
Do you mind?
I don't mind at all. Give me 1 sec. Okay, blatantly pull out in front of that Land Rover. They're clearly stuck. Holy shit.
Well, they have their hazards on. The Honda.
They're stuck.
Yeah.
Look, they the person's honking at them. They're clearly not going anywhere because they can't.
But neither is the Ford.
No, the Ford's getting a little bit.
A little. Oh, that's
Oh
a
my
lot of Ford
god.
racing.
And I can't do anything about the fact that I'm in the intersection.
Wait, that's an all-wheel drive car that's struggling right behind them, isn't it? What kind of car is that?
I think it's a. Oh, that's a.
Is it an Infiniti?
It's a Mazda.
Oh, never mind. It's front drive.
Red. Fucking Pittsburgh left. You can't read his plate at all. Not sure what that element's doing. But, okay.
Sargent was great. With Bukestad, as big a body as he is, where can he play? I make him a third.
They're not street legal tires.
It'd be like that. Well, these aren't street legal at this point, I don't think. The front ones are probably okay, but that Tesla didn't even attempt to stop.
And you run a twist off that. So any twisting action when you get Aaron up the field, and you know, Aaron gets up the field better than anybody I've ever seen in the B game.
Low center of gravity.
I know,
for what
but
it
since
is.
that's a hybrid, the batteries are placed lower.
True.
Yeah, they have no issue. The Honda's stuck there.
I'm gonna have issues, but
Yeah, but not right now yet.
ooh,
Ooh. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez.
we're good.
Big joke when I was on debate team in high school was we're master debaters.
Oh, look at you!
My roommate freshman year-
Clever and original.
My
Clever and what the
roommate-
fuck was that stop?
It's a
Yes,
V6
sir.
Charger. What do you expect?
Clever and original.
And he did the same thing. Only he stayed down the second time. That just doesn't happen unless you're great. Alan's great. He deserves to be in.
Wolf, great stuff. Enjoy the game, and thanks for all your...
This isn't a. What the fuck is that guy doing? Bottles in the fridge.
And then in your room.
Wait,
And then 4 in my room.
Everything.
Wait, Sam, you like Natty?
It's Natty Rush. It's more like rip-off Four Loko with less alcohol.
I was gonna say the
It tastes
best.
like candy.
I was gonna say what?
Oh, Jesus Christ, make the damn turn. Ooh, Volkswagen, or Volkswagen, that's a fucking Subaru got cut off. That guy was parked like a dipshit. Not only is it a no turn on red, you gotta stop anyway. The plate light color is illegal. I dig it otherwise, it's lowered. You have a no turn on red, lady. Made it! Jesus Christ.
Eliminate the other team's best player.
Well, you know, the biggest thing is you got to, number one is you got to call Gurley. Now, if Gurley shows up and is a girly man like he was...
Email, yeah, I couldn't get into the office today.
That could be.
It's very possible. Which means you'd have to drive me back.
I wouldn't be driving you back.
I know.
You'd have to bus back.
I know. Actually, I should probably check my email for that.
Jesus Christ.
Go slow, irresistible morals.
I wouldn't know.
I know.
You want to know something funny,
I don't know
Roman?
anything about cars.
When I was
I
in
know,
DC,
but
this car had
the
124,000
guy
miles
who-
on it. You know what I'm at now?
He just
I guess you're going. Go.
7% of his entire
I'm at
stuff
145
He just didn't want them.
Goddamn.
since March.
The good news is, Safe Auto will get you
What
a
is
great
he
car
stopping
insurance
for?
quote in just 3 minutes.
I think they're
It could save you
genuinely
25%.
oblivious.
The other good news? This commercial is over.
Oh my god, that Camry straight up the way.
Hey, business owners, does your Wi-Fi ever slow down because of your customers? Do downloads lag when they stream videos? Ever tried to finish payroll while clients hog up your bandwidth? Then make the switch to Comcast Business.
Jesus.
Because apparently he doesn't have all the information, even though I gave him all the information. And he has the report number.
Jesus. That Escalade driving like a
Escalade?
fucking dick nugget.
Like, yeah, and the other thing gets 14 on a good day in the city.
You are aware that just means you have more gas in your vehicle. It doesn't make it suddenly cost more.
I know that.
I can only say this as a sideline observer. Now, I played in the AFC Championship game and so forth, and that was a huge game, but not the huge game that a Super Bowl brings. But
Don't know what you're doing, dude.
He talked about waiting for the introductions. He said, and he lived.
Oh, he thought there was a stop sign. Well, we're just going for it. Oh my god, this is white. How does this happen?
Don't know.
Yeet, 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 yeet. I don't know. I'm not fluent in Cheeto. Did you really just fucking say Cheeto?
Yes.
Here, it's right around here. I don't fully know what to think about it simply because.
Get out! I'm blocking the road.
Oh my
Jesus,
goodness.
Max.
Battery died in one of their vans, I guess. That's what it looked like.
She's mad at me and not talking to me now because she thinks I don't trust her. Which I don't.
Seems like a win-win.
Last time anyone trusted the Germans, it was both Dieselgate and the Holocaust.
Same.
Imagine
I'm
just
not
like
part German.
imagine like actually partaking in the Holocaust and or owning a Volkswagen.
But you know
Like-
what's really funny, Max?
Imagine
Max,
either
you know
of those.
what's really-
I forgot that I made that using Russian rub off on you.
Been a while.
Yeah, it has been.
Whoa,
Yikes.
Jesus, Max.
Yikes!
Max, Jesus.
Yikes!
That was half unintentional, and then I just went with it.
Yeah, I
Okay.
realized.
You're pulling the full Asian lady right now. Okay.
No, I can.